In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to manually create and assign district managers. And there are a couple ways that you can create those assignments. The first way is to open up a district map, and then let's zoom into this orange district down here. And we're going to create a new person that will be assigned to this district. And to do that, we can right-click on that district and click on Properties. And right now, you can see we already have a district manager. If I click on this dropdown, you will see all the district managers in this view. And you would have those district managers because they've been imported with the role of district manager, or they've also been modified under the home menu in Edit Personnel. They've been given the role of district manager. So that's another way of manually creating these assignments. So you can create a new person by clicking on this green plus button and then having the district assignment selected, and then you would assign them like so. But we're going to manually assign them by using the radial tool to access the territory properties. So right-click again on that district and click on Properties. And I'm going to add a brand new person into this file, and they're going to become this district's manager. Clicking on this green plus button here, I will type a name for them and also their home zip code. And while doing so, you make sure you're not selecting sales rep because we're not creating a sales rep, but we are creating a district manager. Then we click on Add and click on OK. So now when we zoom in towards the map, you will see that district manager will now appear on the screen. And there you go. You've just learned how to create and assign a district manager here in AlignMix.